Welcome to my demonstration of active and passive transport. I have here today the phospholipid bilayer, which represents my cell membrane, some beads to represent molecules or ions, this region to represent the outside of the cell, and this region to represent the inside of the cell. Now recall, diffusion is the movement of molecules or ions from an area of high concentration, or where there's a lot of molecules, to an area of low concentration, or where there is a smaller amount of molecules. Now during the process of diffusion, we have lots of molecules or ions on the outside of the cell, while there is a lesser amount on the inside of the cell. We call the difference between the two amounts the concentration gradient. And because we have a lot of molecules or ions on the outside, there's going to be a net movement of molecules going into the cell until we have reached an equilibrium. Now, active transport, on the other hand, is the movement of molecules from an area where there's a low amount to an area where there's a high amount. Now, because molecules are moving from low to high, that means they will be moving against their concentration gradient. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? How can molecules move from low to high naturally? It can't, right? The cell gets assistance from two things: transport protein molecules and energy from adenosine triphosphate. Let's demonstrate this. So here in my hands, I have a small amount of glucose molecules on the outside of the cell, and inside there's lots, right? So I'm going to be using my forceps here to represent a transport protein. So glucose will meet this transport protein here embedded in my phospholipid bilayer, but this transport protein cannot carry glucose inside the cell because it has no energy. So to do this, energy will be released from the phosphorylation of an ATP molecule. Phosphorylated here means one of the phosphate group from the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, 3 phosphates, will break from the ATP molecule, and that process releases energy, and now the glucose molecule can be transported to the inside of the cell. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching my demonstration of active and passive transports. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and remember, we're Operation Grade 1. That means we're getting a Grade 1 in CAPE Biology and CSEC Biology. Oh my gosh, sorry, I forgot to shout out. Shout out to Carla and Shanelia, Liana, Shannon, all of my tutees who got a Grade 1 and a Grade 2 this year. I'm extremely proud of you, and because of that, your girl Disha is going to make more videos for you. Bye!